It's beautiful, eh?
It's not soccer, it's like concert.
I've never seen this before.
Look at that. Are you videoing or camera?
Now I'm video.
I don't know if my camera's getting any of it. I'm just taking some random shots and we'll see. Might get nothing. We'll have to see. Oh, maybe that one. Some gorgeous fork lightning.
That's very cool. Come stand further back here, because then you get away from the house.
Oh, it's not close to this color.
No, but you see more because the roof is out the way.
Yeah,
Eh?
just like this fell. I've never seen it so constant. That's really weird.
It's the aliens.
No, you know what that is? That's healing right there.
That's what?
That's healing. Earth has not been very happy lately. And that is Mother Earth saying, simmer down now.
Do you hear my wife?
I know a female when I see one. My mother, I should say. Oh, look at that. That's incredible fork lightning. I wonder what is that, south? Do you think that's the same tower, like it's sitting there?
No,
Maybe not.
no.
That's just over there. It's moving a little bit. That's like so. Stand here, Paul. It's almost like a little symphony.
Yeah.